And how's everybody doing? This is very important in reference to the laws of America and Consumer Protection Act and laws of illegals that are in this country or people that are involved in their misconduct of them tampering with products, people that use products in America. These people, such as, I was drinking some chocolate milk from some American chocolate milk, and that satellite man's been hitting me in the teeth and face. And whoever the person is, whether they're in government, whether they're a foreigner that came into this country and got into the government, the companies and the courts can ban that person and those people from looking at anybody with satellites that use that product. They can ban government agents from tampering with products, government damaging nutrition or product use, such as, somebody drinking milk for their teeth or bones, and then the satellite man is injuring their body or damaging their face or teeth or body parts. The corporations or the farms or the businesses or the Consumer Protection Act can prosecute these satellite controllers for physically assaulting with satellites or lasers or tasers or any other particular points based on their background or their background check or background of the history of them abusing American products as if they were trying to stop people from using products that are public products. The courts can prosecute satellite controllers and ban them from products and corporation products from their use, meaning banning people that are destructive people that are trying to damage people's lives, damaging people's bodies, stealing people's monies based on their criminal backgrounds or the activity of these people, whether they're in law enforcement, branches of government, or even if they're a politician in this country. They can be banned from using milk products, dairy products, or any product from America if they are damaging or assaulting or abusing or raping or physically stealing from a person's money or a person's life or a person's body as their way of trying to manipulate a person. Meaning, like, the courts can prosecute people for tampering with products and people's rights of using products, such as drinking milk and then the satellite man's hitting me in the teeth or hitting me or burning me and hitting me in the throat or whatever they're trying to do. Those companies can ban government agents from using those products. And they they were hitting me in the throat right here. And they can prosecute them for trying to make false illnesses with satellites, such as them burning people's teeth, trying to fake cavities, or faking osteoporosis on a person's anatomy by burning them with satellites, or the satellite controller damaging their facial structure. Those satellite controllers and government people can be banned from pretty much any product made in America, even if they're in the American government. So, in reference to them tampering with a person's life, them tampering with a person's body, or them stealing from a person's estate or a person's property, the courts and the corporations do have a right to reserve, the mess with my mouth, they do have legal right to refuse service to government agents and to government people and political parties in their crimes, their genocide or dictatorship or manipulations or abuses, or their misconduct or their tricks of trying to steal money or property or estates, or their activity of trying to liquidate a person's life, a person's property, a person's parents' estates. Like, for instance, any of these people that tried to steal anything from my mother and father's estates, or they tried to liquidate the estates, those people can go to prison. My mother and father's estates are hermaphrodite estates. Reference to my mother and father. And this is for, important acknowledgments in reference to other celebrities and entertainers too. That the misconduct of people trying to steal from estates of celebrities, or they're trying to steal from my mother and father's estates or companies, the courts can order those people into court. People forging documents, people forging authenticity of something as their way of manipulating or stealing or abusing, or their activity of trying to play their con artist games. The activity of these people and their abuses, again, to the point of them trying to muscle, them trying to bully, them trying to tamper with, or them trying to injure a person because these people are in government. It's not a communist government system in America. Any misconduct of government agents can get them banned from American-made products. And those people would have to use products from their own country that they came from. Even if they were in America, they can be banned from American-made products and American services, whoever these people are. You guys understand that, right? So any of their abuses, as their dictatorship of trying to steal the country or trying to steal houses or property or land or mansions or bank accounts or trust funds, those people can be banned and sued for their crimes in America. You understand that, right? There are laws that protect people's rights and land and estates and companies and products and businesses, and rights of privacy, rights to their own anatomy. So government man can't mutilate or damage or slander or parts of their body or whatever the government man would be trying to do with their satellites or their criminal medical crimes or anything that these people are doing to people that is abusive or criminal or whatever they've tried to do to steal or to manipulate. They missed my mouth. What they tried to use to manipulate, their tricks with their forgeries or their dictatorships, they can get prosecuted for their crimes, whoever these people are.